Hello students. In the last video we have discussed some examples. In that example one theorem was there, and after that one example I have shown you how to solve that, prove that type of example it was there. Today also we are going to discuss some examples. If you'll observe carefully, then one example is in front of you. Two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point T. From an external point T, then we have to prove that PTQ is equal to 2 times OPQ. OPQ. PTQ is 2 times OPQ. Are you getting? That we are going to prove. This figure is already given with this example. Then by using this figure, we are going to prove that this PTQ is equal to 2 times OPQ. Okay. How to prove this? How to start? I am going to show you. Listen and try to understand. Proof that is there, that's why I will write here proof. Okay, whatever given things, first of all I will write, then we will continue. Here what is given? Here given a circle with center O, an external point T and two tangents. Circle is center O, circle is center O and external point T and two tangents TP and TQ to the circle, where P and Q are the points of contact. Okay, that is given, that I will write, which is given in this example, that only we have to write over here. Okay, here the circle, here the circle of center, here the circle of center O and an external point T and external point T, circle center O, an external point T and two tangents TP and TQ to the circle, and two tangents, which one? TP and TQ, TP and TQ to the circle. Okay, and two tangents TP and TQ to the circle, where P and Q are the point of contact. Okay, where P and Q are point of contact. Now here we are going to prove that, what we are going to prove, PTQ is equal to 2 times OPQ. And for that purpose, what is given things that I have written first of all in the proof. Okay, then we will start. Here what we will do, first thing you try to understand. Here we will consider PTQ is equal to theta. Consider angle PTQ is equal to what? Theta. Here we have to consider angle PTQ is equal to theta. Then in triangle TPQ, look here what I said. Here angle PTQ is equal to what? We have considered this angle is equal to theta. Then in triangle PTQ, or we can say TPQ, in triangle TPQ, if you will observe carefully, then you will come to know that, what you will come to know that TP is equal to TQ. In this triangle TPQ or PTQ, here TP is equal to TQ. What is the reason behind it? You will come to know that TP is equal to TQ. Last theorem we have studied before that, what? The tangents drawn from the external point of a circle, those are equal in length. That's why TP is equal to TQ. Consider PTQ is equal to theta and TP is equal to TQ, and what? TP is equal to TQ. Then if you will observe, then you will come to know that here triangle TPQ is an isosceles triangle. Okay, how isosceles triangle look this? This side TP is equal to TQ, two sides are equal, means that is known as isosceles triangle. Okay, got idea? Do you understand? Okay, then we will use here in this triangle TPQ, that is the isosceles triangle, we will use here angle sum property of triangle. What is the angle sum property of triangle? Angle sum property means what? Three angles is equal to 180 degree. That is known as angle sum property of triangle. Which are the three angles of this triangle? Look here in the figure, you will see angle TPQ plus angle TQP plus angle PTQ. Do you understand? Angle TPQ, this one, then which one? TQP, this one, then PTQ is equal to 180 degree. Okay, got idea? In this triangle TPQ is an isosceles triangle, therefore angle sum property I will use TPQ plus angle TQP plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree. Is equal to what? 180 degree. But you see here TPQ and TQP, look in the figure, TPQ and TQP both are equal angles. Why equal angles? Because sides are equal and angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal. Which side is equal? TP is equal to TQ, already equal. That's why those angles also equal. Means we can say here TPQ and TQP both are equal. Means instead of TPQ we can write TQP, and instead of TQP we can write TPQ. Got idea? Okay, but angle TPQ is equal to angle TQP. Okay, what is reason? Angles of equal sides, angles अपोजिट ऐसा बोलेंगे तो चलेगा. ओके, एंगल्स इधर लिखता हूँ देखो, एंगल्स अपोजिट ऑफ इक्वल साइड्स ऐसा बोलेंगे तो भी चलेगा. रीजन लिखने की ज़रूरत है ऐसा नहीं है, डायरेक्टली लिखोगे तो भी चलता है. एंगल्स अपोजिट ऑफ इक्वल साइड्स. ओके, विच साइड्स? टीपी एंड टीक्यू. गॉट आइडिया? तो इंस्टेड ऑफ टीक्यूपी वी कैन राइट टीपीक्यू. Instead of what I said TQP we can write TPQ. Therefore I will write here, look here, T angle TPQ plus angle, instead of TQP I will write once again TPQ plus angle PTQ is equal to what? 180 degree. Okay, TPQ plus TPQ, therefore 2 times TPQ plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree. Okay, is equal to what? 180 degree. Then what we will do? We will transfer this. Which one? We will transfer this PTQ to the. We will transfer this PTQ to the RHS. What we will get? Therefore, 2 angle TPQ is equal to 180 minus angle PTQ. Okay, 2 times angle TPQ is equal to 180 degree minus PTQ. Okay, the next what we will get? See here, look here, observe carefully. What we got? 2 times TPQ is equal to 180 minus PTQ. But PTQ we have here considered what? Theta. Instead of this PTQ we will put this theta. Then what we will get? See, हमें क्या मिल सकता है देखो अभी. Okay, I will make here 2 parts also for solving purpose. Therefore 2 times TPQ is equal to 180 degree minus theta. Instead of PTQ what I wrote? Theta. Therefore angle TPQ इस 2 से हम डिवाइड करेंगे उस साइड को. 180 degree minus theta divided by 2. Okay, we will divide separately. TPQ is equal to 180 degree divided by 2 minus theta divided by 2. Okay, 180 degree divided by 2 minus theta divided by 2. Therefore angle TPQ is equal to 90 degree minus theta divided by 2. What we got? 90 degree minus theta divided by 2. Understood up to this step? Got idea? Okay, 90 degree minus theta divided by 2. But look here, now we will start. We will go to the figure. what we got? TPQ is equal to 90 degree minus theta divided by 2. But OPT, this OPT is equal to 90 degree. Why 90 degree? Because this is the tangent, this is the radius. Here perpendicular will be there, and because of this perpendicular, OPT or TPO ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं, but OPT is equal to 90 degree. But this OPT divided in two parts. Which one? TPQ and OPQ. Am I right? TPQ and OPQ. Here we can get OPQ. How we can get? Look here. But what I said, angle OPT is equal to 90 degree. This angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Therefore, what I said, angle TPQ, this OPT, ये देखो, OPT divided in two parts, TPQ and OPQ. Okay, TPQ plus angle OPQ is equal to angle OPT. This OPT is divided in two parts. Okay, now we will put the values. TPQ, what is the value of TPQ? 90 degree minus theta divided by 2 is here. Got idea? 90 degree minus theta divided by 2. Then what we will do? We will transfer this TPQ to the RHS. We will get like that equation. What we will get? Look here. Therefore, angle OPQ is equal to OPT minus angle TPQ. Do you understand? OPQ is equal to OPT minus TPQ. Okay, now we will put here OPT. What is OPT? 90 degree. Now what is TPQ? 90 degree minus theta divided by 2. We will put here values. What you will get? See. Therefore, okay, देखो इधर, angle OPQ is equal to 90 degree minus, what I said, in the bracket we will write 90 degree minus theta divided by 2. Now we will solve the bracket. Angle OPQ is equal to 90 degree, minus into plus, minus 90 degree, minus into minus, plus theta divided by 2. Therefore, OPQ is equal to 90 minus 90, 0. Then what you will get? Theta divided by 2. Okay. What I will do? I will this 2 is there, which is divided the theta. I will take to the LHS. Then what will happen? Look here. Okay. Theta is equal to 2 times angle OPQ. Theta is equal to 2 times angle OPQ. But look here. Which angle? OPQ. We need now here PTQ. But already we have considered. Theta means what? PTQ. Here we will write. Therefore, angle PTQ is equal to 2 times angle OPQ. This is the proof. Understood? This is the first proof. Okay. Now we will go to the second proof. Look and try to understand. Here once again one example I have written here for your better understanding. Okay. Look this properly, you will come to know that. Question. PQ is a chord of length 8 cm of a circle. PQ is a chord of a length. In previous example, figure already given. Here also figure already given. Okay. The dot lines only I did construction. That also I will tell. Look here. PQ is a chord of a length 8 cm. This is PQ, which is chord of a length which is having 8 cm length. Okay. Of a circle of radius 5 cm. This is the radius of a circle 5 cm. The tangents at P and Q, intersect at point T. The tangents at P and Q intersect at point T. Find the length TP. We have to find the length TP. Okay. Then first of all, let me write what is given. Then we will continue this example. But with the given, we will draw here some construction. We will do here some construction. What? We are going to join this OT. We are going to join this OT. Means first of all we will write join OT. Let it intersect PQ. Join OT. Let it intersect PQ at the point R. When we have joined OT, that time that intersect the PQ at point R, okay, at point R. Then triangle TPQ. Look this. Then triangle TPQ is isosceles triangle. How isosceles? You know that very well, because TP is equal to TQ. In previous example also we have seen. Okay, and TO is the angle bisector of PTQ, and TO is the angle bisector of PTQ. Do you understand? Try to understand what I am saying. Okay, we have drawn here OT which intersect to the PQ. Okay, we have drawn here OT which intersect to the PQ, and after intersecting, what will happen? We have to look here. After intersecting here, when we have joined this TO to this TO, that time it intersect to the PQ, and after intersecting, it intersect at point R, but while intersecting it makes here angle of 90 degree. Okay, it's perpendicular. It's perpendicular. Are you getting? Means we can see here OT is perpendicular to the PQ. This is our construction. Do you understand? This is our construction. Look here. We have to find out TP. हमें इधर TP फाइंड आउट करना है. तो कंस्ट्रक्शन जो हमने किया है उस कंस्ट्रक्शन में हम सारी बातें बता देंगे. क्या बता देंगे? हमने TO ज्वाइन किया, वो TO क्या है? विच इंटरसेक्ट टू द PQ एट पॉइंट R एंड विच इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द PQ. ये सारी बातें हमने कंस्ट्रक्शन में करनी है. इधर दिया नहीं, लेकिन हम कंस्ट्रक्शन में वही करेंगे, क्योंकि कंस्ट्रक्शन इज essential over here for solving this example. Are you getting? That I am going to write here. Look here what I did. Proof. फाइंड है तो सॉल्यूशन भी लिखा तो चलेगा. जॉइन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जॉइन OT. व्हाट यू हैव जॉइंड? OT. ओके, it intersect PQ at point R. It intersect PQ at point R. It intersect PQ at point R. Okay, OT perpendicular to the OT, this OT perpendicular to the PQ. Am I right? This is construction. OT perpendicular to the PQ. Then triangle, which one? PTQ is an which triangle? Isosceles triangle. We can say isosceles also. Is an isosceles triangle. Okay, क्या किया है देखो मैंने, ये ऑलरेडी आई हैव शोन इन द फिगर. जो इधर है वही दिखाया है. ये हमने ओनली कंस्ट्रक्शन किया है, ये फिगर में नहीं दिया था. हमने कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है फॉर सॉल्विंग दिस एग्जाम्पल. अप टू दिस स्टेप इन डाउट, लुक इन ए प्रॉपर वे, यू विल कम टू नो दैट. ओके, ऑल्सो एंगल और वी कैन से सेगमेंट TO, this TO segment TO is a angle bisector of angle PTQ. यह है पूरा कंस्ट्रक्शन है. एक ही लाइन ड्रॉ की है, लेकिन एक लाइन में हमने क्या क्या किया है देखो. जॉइन OT, इट इंटरसेक्ट PQ एट पॉइंट R. वो R को R में इंटरसेक्ट होगी PQ को. OT परपेंडिकुलर PQ, हमने ऐसे ज्वाइन किया कि वो OT जो है वो परपेंडिकुलर टू द PQ. देन PTQ इज एन आइसोस्केलेस ट्राइंगल. PTQ ये आइसोस्केलेस ट्राइंगल हो गया. ओके, सेगमेंट TO इज द एंगल बाइसेक्टर. दिस सेगमेंट TO इज द एंगल बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल PTQ. दिस इज द कंस्ट्रक्शन. ये कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है हमें. ओके, बाद में अगर तुम देखोगे ध्यान से तो इधर देखो, इधर 90 डिग्री का मार्क दिखा है, इधर भी ये 90 डिग्री होगा. ओके, हियर सपोज वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट RO. इधर अगर हमें RO फाइंड आउट करना है तो इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. कैसे देखो, TO is the angle bisector, and because of that this PQ is divided in two parts. This total PQ is given, that is what, 8 centimeter. इधर देखो, PQ is chord of length 8 centimeter. Okay, and when we will divide, when TO is a bisector, that time this distance is equal to this distance I have shown by using marks. Means this will be 4 and this will be also 4. That also I will mention here. And here suppose I want to find out RO, then I can use here Pythagoras theorem and I will get here RO. Why we have to find out this RO? You will come to know that. Then first of all we will find out the RO by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, look here, I will show you here. Ready? Therefore PR is equal to RQ is equal to 4 centimeter. PR is equal to RQ is equal to 4 centimeter. ऐसा क्यों लिखा? Because in the figure you will come to know that. Figure फिर से दिखा देता हूँ, देखो तुम्हें. Okay, look this figure carefully. Here what happened in this figure? If you will observe, then you will come to know that this TO is not only perpendicular, it is the bisector. हमने लिखा है इधर bisector. Bisector होने के कारण ये और ये पॉइंट, ये और ये जो डिस्टेंसेज है, दो डिस्टेंसेज, वो दोनों डिस्टेंसेज क्या हो गए? इक्वल हो गए. तो इक्वल होने के बाद ये डिवाइड भी हो गए और 8 सेंटीमीटर 2 सेंटीमीटर में डिवाइड हो गया. PR and RQ. That's why PR is equal to RQ, because we have said here segment TO is the bisector of angle PTQ. Then it is also divided in two parts. Then PR is equal to RO is equal to what? 4 centimeter. Now we are going to consider here triangle. Which is the right angle triangle? Look here, PRO. In triangle PRO, what will happen? OP square, am I right? OP square is equal to PR square plus RO square. Okay, that I will use here and that I am showing to you. Listen and try to understand. I have written here PR is equal to RQ is equal to 4 centimeter. Then in triangle, which one? PRO, by using what we are going to use? Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem. Then I told you Pythagoras theorem, what will be there? Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equal to PR square plus RO square. OP square is equal to PR square plus RO square. OP is nothing but the radius of the circle. Radius is given 5 centimeter. That will write 5 square is equal to PR. We know that now. Look here, PR is equal to 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter, 4 square plus we can find your RO square. For finding this RO square, we will transfer this. This RO we can write in this form also. OR square is equal to what will happen? 5 square minus 4 square. Therefore OR square is equal to 25 minus 16. Therefore OR square is equal to what? 9. Therefore OR is equal to 3 centimeter. Taking what? Square root. Taking square root. Got it up to this step? Okay. Now look here. Now here some points we are going to use, and those are also very important point. Which are those? Listen and try to understand. I will show you this figure once again. Figure फिर से दिखा रहा हूँ, देखो. In this figure you observe carefully, you will come to know that एंगल TPR, मैं जो बोलता हूँ वो ध्यान से देखो इधर. एंगल TPR प्लस एंगल PTR, इधर देखो, TPR एंड PTR. अगर एक 90 डिग्री है तो ये दोनों मिलके 90 डिग्री हो सकते हैं. समझे? अभी ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है, PRT एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है. इधर मैंने मार्क किया है, देखो ये इधर का भी राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है जो हमने अभी यूज़ किया, और बाय यूजिंग दैट वी हैव फाउंड द OR. ओके, और इधर का भी ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है. समझे? इन दिस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल PRT, मैंने क्या बोला देखो, TPR प्लस PTR. देखो फिर से TPR एंड PTR, ये दो एंगल ए और ए एंगल मिलके क्या होंगे? 90 डिग्री, बिकॉज दिस इज 190 डिग्री. आर यू गेटिंग? एक 90 डिग्री है तो दोनों का एडिशन 90 डिग्री आएगा. टोटली कितना होगा? 180 डिग्री. एक बात हो गई. दूसरी बात देखो, ओके ध्यान से देखो, TPR मैंने पहले कौन से एंगल बताए, देखो फिर से भी रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, टी पी आर प्लस पी टी आर 90 डिग्री, एक इक्वेशन हो गया। दूसरा देखो, टी पी आर प्लस आर पी ओ, ये जो एंगल है, ये दोनों मिलके टी पी आर प्लस ओ पी आर, अदरवाइज आर पी ओ इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री, बिकॉज दिस इज ऑल्सो 90 डिग्री, ये रेडियस और ये टेंजेंट है, परपेंडिकुलर होने के कारण ये भी क्या होगा, 90 डिग्री होगा। ओके, वो हम लिखेंगे इधर, देखो व्हाट आई सेड दैट आई विल राइट हियर नाउ। इस टाइप के एग्जाम्पल ध्यान से देखने पड़ते हैं और समझने की कोशिश करनी पड़ती है, क्योंकि ये लंबे होते हैं थोड़े बहुत। ओके, एंगल टी पी आर प्लस एंगल, ओके, पी टी आर इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री, इक्वेशन 1, एंड टी पी आर प्लस एंगल आर पी ओ इज इक्वल टू ऑल्सो 90 डिग्री। ये हो गए दो इक्वेशन। ओके, आर पी ओ। अब इधर देखो, टी पी आर और टी पी आर इक्वल है, ये 90 डिग्री भी इक्वल है, समझे, समझ में आ रहा है? तो हम डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं पी टी आर इज इक्वल टू आर पी ओ, ऐसा हम लिख सकते हैं, पी टी आर इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, आर पी ओ। अदरवाइज अगर इक्वेशन कंपेयर किए तो कंपेयर करने के बाद ये और ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, बचेगा क्या, ये। तो हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2 we get, what we will get, angle PTR, am I right, is equal to angle RPO, PTR is equal to angle RPO। ओके, समझ में आया, PTR is equal to angle RPO। और दूसरी बात, TRP प्लस PRO, TRP प्लस PRO इज इक्वल टू ऑल्सो 90 डिग्री। फिगर में देखो मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ, TRP एंड PRO, ये भी दोनों 90 डिग्री है, तुम्हें मालूम है। ओके, तो अभी देखो, एक मिल गया हमें, दूसरा इधर लिख रहा हूँ जो मैंने अभी अभी बोला, देयरफॉर एंगल, विच एंगल आई सेड, देयरफॉर एंगल TRP is equal to angle PRO is equal to also 90 degree। okay, now we will consider two triangles, triangle TRP and triangle PRO। okay, in those two triangles what we will do, look here, ये दोनों ट्रायंगल हमें दिखाने हैं, ये दोनों ट्रायंगल क्या है, सिमिलर है। ओके, अगर ये दोनों ट्रायंगल हमने क्या दिखाए, सिमिलर दिखाए, तो इजीली हम क्या कर सकते हैं, ध्यान से देखो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ। ओके, ये दोनों ट्रायंगल हमने क्या दिखाए, सिमिलर दिखाए, तो दोनों ट्रायंगल सिमिलर दिखाने के बाद हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इनके साइड्स प्रोपोर्शन में लिख सकते हैं। ओके, तो साइड प्रोपोर्शन में लिखने के लिए, साइड प्रोपोर्शन यानी कि क्या, साइड इन द रेशियो लिख सकते हैं। जब साइड इन द रेशियो हम लिख सकते हैं तो उसके हिसाब से हम वो टीपी का आंसर जो है, जो हमें लेंथ ऑफ द टीपी फाइंड आउट करना है, फाइंड आउट हो सकती है। तो हम इधर दिखाएं, देखो टीआरपी एंड पीआरओ, इसमें एंगल पीटीआर इज इक्वल टू एंगल आरपीओ, इधर हमने प्रूव करके दिखाया है, इधर देखो पीटीआर इज इक्वल टू आरपीओ, एंगल टीआरपी, ये जो अभी लिखा है ऊपर, इज इक्वल टू एंगल पीआरओ। ओके, तो हम ये दोनों ट्रायंगल सिमिलर दिखा सकते हैं, ट्रायंगल TRP is similar to the triangle PRO by which AA similarity criterion, ऐसा लिखा तो भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, समझे। अभी देखो इसके साइड हम क्या लिखेंगे, इन द रेशियो लिखेंगे, TP डिवाइडेड बाय PO, व्हाट आई सेड, TP डिवाइडेड बाय फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड, इधर फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड, इज इक्वल टू, ओके, RP डिवाइडेड बाय RO, RP डिवाइडेड बाय RO, गॉट आइडिया। अभी हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, टीपी फाइंड आउट करना है, तो टीपी डिवाइडेड बाय ओपी। ओके, ओपी यानी कि क्या है इन द फिगर, इफ यू ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली देन यू विल कम टू नो दैट। इधर देखो फिगर में ओपी रेडियस है 5 सेंटीमीटर है। ओके, बाद में आरपी, इधर देखो पी आर 4 सेंटीमीटर हमने इधर लिखा ही है। इधर देखो आरपी 4 सेंटीमीटर और ओ आर हमें क्या मिला 3 सेंटीमीटर, पुट करो इधर। ओके, ओपी 5, आरपी 4 एंड ओ आर 3, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, टीपी इज इक्वल टू, इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करो 5 इंटू 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 3, therefore TP is equal to 20 divided by 3. What is the answer of TP? 20 divided by 3. Understood? ऐसे हमें find out करना है. Okay, remaining examples we will continue in the next video. Thank you.